Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you how and where you can find royalty-free images. No sign up required, no need to pay any money. Just one click and image is all yours. So let's get right into it. First Reshot. Reshot provides free icons, illustrations, and photos. Designed freely with instant downloads, no cost, no attribution. No worries. Download anything you need from Reshot, instantly. Say goodbye to paywalls, sign-up screens and watermarks, and get back to your projects. Second we have Burst. Burst is a free stock photo platform that is powered by Shopify. They're uploading high-resolution images to help their users find the perfect free stock photo for their next project. Their goal is to build the best free image library for entrepreneurs, so they're constantly uploading new photos and adding new categories to reflect current trends in e-commerce and retail. All of their pictures are royalty-free, with no attribution required. That means you can use them in your school projects, client work, print ads, menus, on websites and beyond. Next is ISO Republic. They offer high-quality free stock photos and video under a generous CC0 license. There are no restrictions. You can freely download, use on both personal and commercial projects, edit or share, and do so without permission or attribution to the creator of the work. Next we have Kaboom Pics. Everything you need to create fabulous content. Free images of the highest quality, constantly growing image database. There are images available in every size, division according to photo sessions, 100% security. Definitely check it out. Next is Pexels. Pexels is a provider of stock photography and stock footage. Find the most beautiful pictures available on Pexels. Download and use 10,000 plus background images for free. Then we have a most famous and known website, Unsplash. Beautiful, free images and photos that you can download and use for any project. Better than any royalty-free or stock photos. Unsplash has over 1 million free high-resolution photos. Unsplash is a website dedicated to sharing stock photography. The website claims over 265,000 contributing photographers and generates more than 16 billion photo impressions per month on their growing library of over 3.2 million photos. Definitely check it out. Pixabay is a vibrant community of creatives, sharing copyright-free images, videos and music. Open source resources, discover the best source for free images and videos. Tell me in the comments which website you liked the most. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.